This sucks.
This sucks.
This sucks.
The sooner we all take precautionary measure.
The sooner that all of this can be over.
Here's the deal.
If we don't take enough precaution, millions of us could end up infected.
We can all agree on what to do next.
We stay here, right here.
And we'll do it together.
Look at the current situation in India.
Thinking the virus can be beaten, major restrictions have been lifted.
Then, what happened?
The cases are skyrocketing, and there is no sign of slowing down.
At this rate, I'm afraid we cannot imagine a better future.
So what do we do?
Always maintain social distancing and maintain hygiene practices.
What sucks more than a quarantine?
Obviously getting infected by the virus.
We have already seen positive effect from staying at home.
We all need to join hands and get through this together.
All we have to do is stay at home and take necessary precautions. We need not panic, but it is also dangerous to take it lightly.
I think we're up to the task, and if you need a little inspiration,
Think of the healthcare workers on the front lines.
Even if we have to go to the supermarket,
Make sure that you're wearing a mask and your hands sanitized.
you could be spreading a virus and you are not aware of it.
And let's be real.
We are not only protecting ourselves,
But we are also preventing others from being infected.
more than half of the coronavirus cases in India are between the age of 18 to 49.
It's not just about people with low immunity and elderly who are at risk. Anyone can get infected.
So, we are gonna shun ourselves from public gatherings, parties, and events.
And keep in mind, this will take a while and a whole lot of patience. Stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to smile.
Spread this video, share the awareness, but not a virus.